Ya Ali Madad, my name is Kareem, and on the occasion of Navroz, I'm delighted to speak to you from the site of the new Lewisville Jamatkhana. As you may recall, the construction began in April 2024. Since then, we have made considerable progress. As of today, a sizable portion of the exterior work is complete. Inside the building, the prayer, social, and educational spaces are defined with complete walls. The next phase of construction consists of completing interior work and inspection. The final exterior work and installation of solar panels on the roof will complete the Jamatkhana. As anticipated, the construction will be completed by the end of summer, inshallah. Navroz signifies a time of spiritual renewal, reflection on both the dini and dunyavi aspect of our lives, and optimism for growth. I hope and pray the new year will bring peace, happiness, and prosperity for the entire global Jamaat. Navroz Mubarak.